Describe some technology, for example, an application, phone, or a software program that you decided to stop using. You should say when and where you got this technology, why you started this, why you started using this technology, why you decided to stop using it, and explain how you feel about the decision you made. Yes, please start.
Okay. Okay. At first, I have decided to got the Instagram application because most of my friends advised to me that this application is more advantageous for my English.
Yeah.
So because on that application were more short videos about the English, like grammar, like how we can speaking, and some type of other videos were existed. And when I have downloaded and I have used it, so I was really satisfied because day by day my English had improved, but after
Yeah,
some weeks,
but with the passage of time, you can say.
yes, yes, but with the passage of time, I have recognized that I was really busy with some type of other videos like fashion, like makeup, and some
entertainment.
type of, yes, and entertainment.
Yeah.
So on that time, I hadn't any interesting about the English, and and I have spent more time for that application and for watching some silly videos that
Yeah.
it was that they just spent my time. And after some months, I have decided to delete this application and focus for my study in other way, like register on an English center.
Okay,
And
okay, that's good. And
yes,
please explain how you feel about the decision you made. Like how you feel about that. Do you feel proud and happy on that? The decision you made. Yeah.
yes, I feel really proud because I decided to save my time.
Yeah,
And yes, and use it in a best way.
that's good. That's good. And I can utilize my time in other activities, other useful
Yes,
activities. Okay, that's good. That's good. And Fatima,
thank
that
you.
was very good answer, by the way. Very good answer.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.